Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Fanyil Bunny Pal review. So I might be wondering, what is this Fanyil Bunny Pal that you may be hearing online or seeing online? Well, Fanyil Bunny Pal is a battery-powered interactive plush bunny toy designed for children ages 3 and up, made from soft, non-toxic materials. Now that's according to them. Now it uses motion and sound sensors to detect touch and noise, responding by hopping, twitching its ears, wiggling its nose, and making bunny style sounds. Now, according to them, it's built to move across different surfaces like carpet and hardwood, and it's marketed as a screen free play companion. Now, how do you exactly use this? Well, you just insert the required batteries into the compartment on the underside of the toy, flip the power switch to on, and place it on a flat, open surface for smooth movement. Now, from there on, just interact with it by clapping, speaking, or gently petting its back to trigger its hopping, ear wiggling, and sound responses. Now, turn it off when not in use to conserve battery life here. Now, for cleaning, wipe the plush exterior with a soft, damp cloth, and it shouldn't be submerged in water since that could damage the internal electronic components. Now, on the pricing side here, it's listed at around $35.75, discounted from the original $79.98 reference price here, with free worldwide shipping, and it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Now, the company is based on Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, USA, if you're going to check that. Now, if you have any questions regarding the product and you just want to see what other details that you may require before buying this, well, you could also go to their contact page here, where in this case you could input the following details. So that includes your order email, your order number, your message here, and if you want to reach out to them directly via email, you could also email them here before buying. But that's about it. So if you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.